manok the broccoli. Marami dapat ang salad mo kuan. No, he's asking what time and I said anytime. Come now, sakto na. Paksiw. I said the paksiw. No? Kaloka. Nag-auto, ano eh. Yung spelling wrong. I don't know. Galing mo na, Mystical. Di ka na mabenta niyan. Oo nga eh. Pero kung di na mabebenta, host, ipakidnap na. Ransom na lang siya, di ba? My choice. That's funny. Billionaire Mindset, let's grow together. Hello everyone. Billionaire Mindset, shout out to you. Like that. Thank you. Thank you for the like. Ayan, nagbabawas naman yung like. Risha, salamat. Salamat for the heart. Mindsets, let's grow together at Mystical Stuff. Yes, please connect each other, guys. Sabi ko, may mystic your head. My mystic, sabi ko, my mystic, you're handsome. What I told host. Kalami vlog, oo, ako yun. Sabi ni Mystical. Oy. At Hawa Kama, you're welcome. Thank you. Yes, thank you, Billionaire, for coming. Guys, please connect to Billionaire Mindset. Let's grow together. Okay. Oh, you have 2.9 subscribers and 148 viewers. Okay, I'm gonna go to your channel. Oh, ito ay Dak. Okay. Di pa pala ako nakasubscribe sa'yo. Ayan. So, subscribe kita, Billionaire. Sorry, hindi pala kita nadikitan. Ayan. I'm watching the swimming day. The short video here. The ducks. Nice. Tabagam na may tapnan may lutong yung broccoli. Beautiful sunny day. No. Salad di ka ng tanong damdama. Oh, this is cute. Carrot, best snacks for rabbit. Nice. Thank you, Best Lisa. Yeah. Billionaire, I already connected to you. Okay, thank you. Dan Connect, Billionaire, Mindset, let's grow together from Mystical. Okay, Billionaire, can you please connect to Mystical Stuff as well and Kalami, Sis Lisa. I think you guys already connected with Sis Lisa, right? Or Lisa 67, guys. And Batsky Fatsky, Risha, there you go. At Mystical, thank you so much. Nice videos from Billionaire Mindset. Ang gulo ng buhay nito ni Mystic, di na nagtutugma mga comment. Hi, Billionaire, let's go together. Thank you from Mystical. There you go. Thank you, guys. 124 people. Thank you.